So here we are with another drop of question, and we have z squared plus 9z plus 14. And we have to factor this. So what we're going to do is, because this is in the form of a quadratic, ax squared plus bx plus c. In this case, we have z's instead of the x's, but the point is you have two of a variable, which we do, z squared. We have one, z to the first, and then a, b, and c are numbers. So our a in this case is a 1 right here. Our b is 9, and our c is 14. When it's in this form, we can easily factor it into two groups. And it's really easy when we have our a1 as 1. When our a is 1, we can go ahead and take our variable, because it's z squared, you're going to put 1 in the first group, and they're going to be our leading terms because it's our leading term in the trinomial. And now we're going to find what two factors multiply to 14 and add to 9. And you want to keep in your mind that this is a positive 14 because it's an addition. We're adding 14, so positive 14, and this is a positive 9. So over here on the side, I'm just going to do a table. Factors of 14. So factors of 14 are 1 times 14, 2 times 7, and that's all I can think of right now. So now I want to think, okay, which of these factors can I play around with? I can, if I added them or subtracted them to get 9, and it has to be a positive 9. So right here, if we look at 2 and 7, if I assign both of these positive signs, they can be a positive 2 and a positive 7. That will give me positive 9. So I can have a positive 2 and a positive 7. I literally just take the factors that I have and I put them in the groups. So that's that factored. There is a way to figure out what the signs should be. If you wanted to, you could have also done, say you got this far, and you can drop, if you drop the first sign, so the first sign here is a positive in the first group, and then you multiply the two signs at plus, a positive times a positive is a positive, and that will give you the second sign. And then after you find your factors, they adopt it. And of course, when it comes to your factors, depending on the middle term, if the middle term is positive, that means that this has to be positive, your greatest number, your greatest valued number. So between 2 and 7, the greater value is 7. So that 7 definitely has to be positive.